So in this video I will be teaching you how to create a browser profile inside multi-login. In previous video I talked about how to create a multi-login account without any problem. So here in this video I will show you how to create a browser profile inside multi-login and how to set a proxy in the multi-login. Okay, so first of all let's talk about proxies. Okay, I will tell you about. I told you already about some proxy providers, right? Like multi login, so I like Illuminati, like Hydra proxy, like IP Royal, Proxy Lite, and the PIA proxy. Okay, so currently I have the subscription of Hydra proxy and PIA proxy, so I will use these two, but the process is same for all. Okay, so you can use any of these. So my recommendation to you is to use Luminati or Proxy Lite, or use PIA proxy. Okay, so here first of all let's use Hydra proxy. I have Hydra proxy here, so let's use Hydra proxy. Okay, so you have to first of all go to the residential page. First of all, add funders. The minimum you can add is $10. Okay, click on residential, then you will have to click on usage, and then here choose Google, and bandwidth should be 1, that's 1 GB, and cost of 1 GB is $5. Okay, so I have already purchased the proxy from this. So here, after purchasing the proxy, go to the dashboard, and here click on manage access. Okay, now here you can see this in your dashboard. Click on server IP and choose your country. So we will be creating the countries of France, so choose your country as France. Then in the rotation choose sticky. Okay, so that our IP address does not change. And here enter 10, or you can enter any number. So click on generate. So proxies will be generated here, so just copy one. Okay, and go back to the multi login. Click on browser, create browser profile. Here choose your name as of the here choose your name. It should be anything, doesn't matter. Okay, now operating system Windows, and the browser should be Mimic in case of Google Ads. Okay, now click on edit proxy settings, and here click on HTTP proxy, and the proxy which you copied from Hydra proxy, just paste it here, and it gets auto filled in the browsers. Now click on check proxy, and it will check our proxy, and let's see. You can see our connection has passed, and here you can see the country is France and the time zone is Europe. Now go to time zone, then go to the WebRTC geolocation. Make sure. Now here click on language and remove English, because we are creating the account of France. So choose French language here. Click on save. Now click on do not drag and turn it on. Go to fonts, same. Here in the hardware choose the canvas. It is here it's off, and now you have to choose the noise option. Now click on overview, and then click on create profile. So a profile will be created. Now click on start. Profile will our browser profile will start, and it will show us the IP address. And then inside this browser profile we have to do all the things, all the steps through which we can create our Google Ads account. So you can see our IP address. This is okay in the another format, but you can see our yeah, our location is France. Now we will go to another website that shows us the proxy. Sorry, the IP address. Go here ipscore.com, and it will display your IP address, and you can see this is our IP address, and here you can see the French flag, France. Okay, so these are the more details. Okay, so now I will show you how to if you want to use PIA proxy, then how you can set up it inside the multi login. Okay, now go to the PIA proxy. Now here You have to purchase a plan of it. I have already purchased it. That costs you about $36, and it gives you about 150 proxies. And the interface is same like 911. If you are familiar with 911, you can easily use PIA proxy. Okay, here you have to download the software and then create an account inside the PIA proxy. Then you have to purchase the plan. Here I have already, you can see PIA SOX 5 setup here. Just open it, and you can see the interface is same like 911. You can see. Okay, now here you have to choose search for the country, like we use it to do in inside the 911. Okay, like this is the list of countries. Here choose the France, and then you can choose the state as well, your city as well. Okay, now click on start proxy. Okay, proxies will be displayed here. You can see it's loading right now. So maybe it's because of my internet, it's not loading in properly. Okay, let's open it again. Sorry, the proxy software is not loading correctly. Let's check their website. Let's check whether it's working or not. I will go to this PIA proxy. Okay, and now open the link. As you can see, it's not opening. Maybe the website is maybe it may be down, or there might be some maintenance work uh, getting done. Okay, so that's why our software is not working right now. You can see it takes this site can't be reached. But the thing is, you have to port forward them. Like if you use the proxy, then you have to click on port forward, and it will give you a port and IP address. But make sure the protocol of protocol of PIA proxy is SOX 5. Okay, so choose the SOX 5 here in multi-login instead of HTTP here like this. Okay, choose SOX 5 and enter the address and the port and the login and password. Login and password should be the login password of your PIA account. Okay, so that's it. In this way you can set up the multi-login uh, with the proxy. Okay, similarly you can use other websites like Illuminati. They also give you the proxies in this format like IP, port, username and password, and the protocol. Another one is that's IP Royal, and another is Proxy Lite. Okay, so you can use them. The process is same. Now I will show you how to set up the another type of entity type browser in the next part.